Hi there everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. As you see in front of me, I'm here with the unboxing of the EZDIY PSU extension cables. They are in color black. The color of the box is pretty good. If we're just sitting on the shelf, I would purchase it because I know what they are. And I don't have to worry about no problems with EZDIY Fab because I am using their products in my gaming system. I'm using a PCIe 3.0 riser cable, and it works perfectly on my GPU as I vertically mounted it. So my RX 580 2040 is working great from Elsa and Soyo. Now I know a lot of people had issues buying the RX 580. I will get into that into another video, and I'm gonna explain why y'all having issues with it because y'all brought it from a third or a fourth party seller who used that GPU and burnt it out and sold you a raggedy fake GPU. Alrighty, back to the product. Easy DIY Fab PSU extension cables, black. Let's look at the box itself. Simple basic box. You cannot go wrong with it. And you got all your information on the side. Now these are 18 AWG. If you know what AWG is, 18 AWG is 18 gauge wiring. So if it's not 18 gauge or better, do not buy it. Because if you buy anything 16 gauge and you're using a high powered system like motherboards, PC, computers, etc., and you connect it up, you wind up end up blowing out your power supply or take more components out as well. So make sure that you see it right there is 18 AWG on all your PSU extension cables. If you need to know, if you need to get into easy DIY Fab, that's their email address. If you want to go ahead on there and have a QR scanner, you can go ahead and scan their QR code, and you go ahead and take it right to the website. But I'll be putting their website in the description below, so you can go ahead and click on and look at all their parts and enjoy great products from EZ DIY Fab manufacturers. Alrighty, just like I said, your basic simple box ain't nothing to get spectacular over. What do we get inside? And boy, does that look so sexy. Does that look sexy? Alrighty. What's inside the bag? As I showed y'all the cables. Take them out the bag so we could go over each cable and what you're getting in the product. Alrighty, it comes with a set of all black cable combs. This is your 4-pin to 8-pin CPU connector. Your 24-pin power supply connector. Yes, your 24-pin motherboard connector. Nice, good quality. And these cables are heavy. Look at the thickness of the wire. Look at it. And you cannot go wrong with it. And you get a set of two 8-pin or 6-pin GPU cable. And just like I said, look at that thick cable wire. Thick. Yes. And y'all probably sit down here and say, Ron, why you didn't get coloring? Because my CP, my gaming PC has a lot of colors into it. It's blue and silver. I have the AMD GPU, the RX 580 2048 GDDR5, which the GDDR5 round came out in 2007. So yes, and that GPU plays great for my gameplay on my 1080p monitor. Now I'm not playing CS:GO with it. Two, I'm not playing Call of Duty because of the processor I'm on. I'm on the 3rd gen i7 3770 with that. But just like I said, for my role play games like Double Dragon, etc., it's good. Now, you see the product. You see how sexy that black looks. And when I go ahead and clean my system out, these cables will be going in. Will I recommend you buying these cables? If you want to go ahead and give DIY Fab a try, then go ahead on. Now, if you want to go ahead on with your cable mods, etc., and spend more money that you don't have to, then that's up to you. If you're doing a theme build, they do make color cables. Like I said, their website will be in the description below, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just click on the link, take time, and browse their product. If Easy DIY Fab is for you, then go with it. If it's not for you, then I understand. Easy DIY Fab understands. So you want to spend more money, that's up to you. But these cables are not bad. I will be putting the affiliate links in the description below if you want to go ahead and purchase these cables for your rig yourself. You get tired looking at the ketchup and mustard cables, or you get tired looking at the all manufactured black cables. You want to go ahead and give your PC a little more jazz in cabling, then this is where to go. Now, in my editing rig, I did brought up here cables, but up here don't sell their cables no more because I think they cut the quality of it. I think that was 16 AWG, which is 16 gauge. This is 18 gauge. So up here don't sell their cables no more. I'm trying a new company out, Easy DIY Fab. I love them. I'm using their PCIe 3.0 riser cable, which is a great quality riser cable. I have no issues with anything from this company, and I want y'all to go ahead and take the time and trust this company with your PC pearls. Alrighty, thank y'all for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.